Suicide deaths reached a record high in the U.S. last year. Data from the CDC showing more than 49,000 lives were lost due to intentional self-harm. One local woman is working to raise awareness for mental health with murals all across Jacksonville that direct people to get help. Reporter Tiffany Salome joins us live from San Marco, where the newest mural was just completed. Tiffany?
Well, the next time you're in San Marco, take a moment to stop and take a picture here. This mural is one of 11 all across the city. And Hearts for Mind is the company behind them. The founder, Cheryl Johnson, wants everyone who's stopping by to just take a moment, stop and smile.
And I'm so proud of who he was, that we know that his journey and his battle with the disease was not a testament to his character, his value, or his worth.
Tomorrow marks 6 years since Cheryl Johnson's son, Alex, took his life. His death is the reason you'll see these murals across Jacksonville to raise awareness for mental health. The dragonflies you see are for Alex.
We see him everywhere, and we use his memory and our dragonfly symbol to help other people, and that will keep his memory alive.
More people died from suicide last year than any other year on record. Provisional data from the CDC isn't final yet, but it paints a grim picture. That's nearly 15 deaths for every 100,000 people. Johnson says one of the biggest reasons suicides are on the rise is a lack of action.
On average, there's an 8-year delay between the onset of symptoms and actually getting treatment. I tell people it's like only treating cancer at a stage 4 versus a stage 1. We also are seeing heightened levels of financial stress, social isolation, substance abuse. All of those things combine with the barriers to care, access to resources, and people have easier access to means, whether that is an easy way to buy drugs on the street that can be fatal, or access to firearms.
But there's ways everyone can help, and that's by listening and saying something.
Listen to what people are saying. People can say, no one would care if I wasn't here anymore. That's a sign. People start giving things away, acting erratically, acting differently. And then the key is say something. Say something. Don't be afraid to say something.
Every mural you see around town will feature a QR code that you can scan with your phone. That will take you to Hearts for Mind's website, where you can find more information on mental health and get connected to local resources as well. This mural here actually does not have a QR code yet, but it will next weekend on August 19th. That is what would have been Alex's 29th birthday. And the community is invited to come out and celebrate here in San Marcos Square August 19th, next Saturday at 9:30 a.m. Reporting live in San Marco, Tiffany Salome, Channel 4, the local station.